Oh, wake up now, wake up. Wake up, Mr. Chick, wake up, mixtape. Yes, I'm just snoring, it's never feeling boring. After that, you're in the hole like you're boring. Man, I'm just boring like the trains though. I'm boring a tunnel, big chick, yeah. I'm soaring the funnel, man. Like funnel cakes though. Big chick, like Ronald Cakes though. Like Ronald Donald, man. MC though, I'm an MC though. ONLD though. After that, like HMV though. Because I was the first on the music, the first company like gramophone. I don't leave that grammar alone. I don't need that. I don't really give a shit. I see that. I be that. Yeah, IG that. Big chick, check out the ID that. ID that. Got no idea though. Big chick, you know I steer though. Off the cliff, so you better trust me. Big chick, yeah. I'm like Humphrey Beauregard with no regard. Yeah, you know he's hard, huh? Huh? Yes, you know that. Grab my phone once again, man. Big chick, I'm on again, man. Yeah, like CD to record, to cassette though. No cassette though. No regret though. Big chick, you know what's left though. What's left is big chick, man. Mr. Chick, man. No Mr. though. I'm too proper. Suit is proper. Loot is proper. Blue is proper. Big chick, you knew he's proper. After that, you need a new prop, bruh. Mr. Chick, man. He's too laced up, dressed up like a three-piece though. I don't need three-piece though. Three-piece though. It's free for the piece though. If peace was free, I'd pay for it in a minute, man. I'm like a minute, man. Just give me 1 minute, man. Give me a minute. Let me speak out again, Mr. Chick, man. I'd be like running for mayor, man. Running for the PM, driving in the BM. After that, I'm like CMB though. YM, CMB though. Cash money though, stash money though. After that, man, you cash money though. Like WCF, baby. You see me, yes, maybe. Don't please me, yes, lately. Yes, lady. Yes, baby. Yes. Wake up, Mr. Chick. I think he woke up a few songs ago, you know that? I think he did. Yeah.